Hello guys, I just met top AI researchers in the world from Qwen, Peking University, Tsinghua, Shanghai, Jiaotong, and other good universities, PhD students, and I never even wrote a single paper yet, and I'm gonna tell you in this video exactly how I did it. So it was simply by just doing AI research and posting everything on social media daily, improving daily. You see my X profile here, it just says I'm posting everything daily. So today I even posted this, already has 6 likes. This was the research I've done today. I actually got advice from Peking University PhD student, and it's not like a perfected paper. I'm just posting daily research I do. And these researchers, they find me on RedNote. So I'm currently now in Beijing, and I post on RedNote and Douyin. And so after you start posting daily, after you start learning, improving every day, then you should move to either San Francisco or Beijing or one of these good cities. And that's where it's gonna be so easy for other people to meet you, like PhD students, even if you are not yet at the level of research. If you are just posting every day, trying to improve social media, all of this stuff, it's gonna be so easy to meet them. But if you cannot move, so I'm explaining everything in my school community, link below. So if you cannot move, that's not a problem as well. First of all, you need to understand that just meeting these people, it's not gonna bring you too much value. So just by posting on social media, you will get feedback. I recommend posting on RedNote, it's very good. A lot of researchers there. So you don't even need to be in the same city. You don't even need to meet them in person. You can just post on social media and people will just comment, like random AI researchers will just comment, give some feedback. So you can do this even if you don't if you cannot move to different city. So all I'm trying to say is I'm telling you guys every day to just do research and then post everything on social media, and that's the way you get into this field, into this career. So I feel like this is pretty guaranteed way to get into this career, just posting every day your AI research on social media. So right now I'm trying to do some AI research on JEPA. By Jan LeCun. I'm doing some ablations, so anti-gravity, I'm using Opus, I'm using Gemini 3.1 Pro. I'm just chatting with it, trying to tell it like I want to use this, do some ablations on learning rate, do this, do that. If I don't know what I want to do, I ask it to suggest me something, etc. It's so easy. And then just you need to understand what's happening, and you need to go maybe deep into a topic, but you can still post every day on social media on your progress updates. So you can see I just wrote this PDF with my research together with AI. I tried to make it good. I don't want to make it sloppy. I'm trying to improve every day. I think eventually this is going to be a lot better as well. And then I just put screenshots, and then I explain this is translated into Chinese, but you can do it in English if you don't want to learn Chinese. I'm learning Chinese as well, so I'm doing this because I want to learn. But you can just do it like this every day on X, LinkedIn, and I recommend RedNote as well, and YouTube. Actually, I just posted this link to JEPA, so you can train JEPA, do research on JEPA on just one GPU. If you find this repository, JEPA, and I said there is no more excuse, because I think you guys, you are looking for an excuse not to do research, like I don't have GPUs. It's an excuse. It's not grounded in reality. So now you don't have even that excuse, so you can say goodbye to that excuse. You can go here and do research on JEPA on one GPU. And this already got like almost 1,000 likes on this is Xiaohong, no, this is Douyin. Douyin has a bit more likes and stuff. It's a Chinese TikTok version. It got 76,000 views. I posted it this morning. This one went a bit viral. Others get around 1,000, 2,000 views, sometimes 20, 30,000. So guys, if you don't know how to do research, doesn't matter. Just whatever you're learning, attention mechanism, whatever, just make posts about it. And you can like even tell your Gemini or whoever to help you do some research here and then help you explain. I think it's very easy to do research now with AI tools. So it's just about, as I said on my Twitter, and by the way, if you want to grow on Twitter, you have to get this. Twitter is pay to play, pay to win. You need to get this. I got it on free or discounted 50%, 2 months or something, the blue check mark. So when I got it, then I started getting like actual views and stuff. But you can also post on LinkedIn. You don't need to pay anything there. I also go viral there. Like my get maybe 50 likes, 100 likes, so that's like a couple thousand views. In the beginning it's slower, but don't chase clout. You want to chase everyday improvement and posting on social media. If you just improve every day, post on social media, you are going to end up in this career eventually. So I'm actually trying to get other people to do more research, to do better science. I'm trying to give them good ideas. I think like the better ideas I can give away, I can post on my Twitter, it will be better for me, for my career. I'm gonna establish myself, and you can just continue doing this posting every day. I'm trying to get these PhD students here. These are PhD students from top universities to also post. I'm gonna try to get them to post as well. They're kind of scared their idea is gonna get stolen, somebody else will publish instead of them, so their PhD is gonna suffer maybe for that, but we're gonna see how we're gonna deal with all of that. So going back to my school community, you can see my daily posts here. I don't have so much time to make videos on everything, but I put everything here, all of my thoughts, learnings, everything I learned from meeting these people, and link below the video, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. So just keep posting every day.